So hello all, Aditya Suryanshi here, and we are team never selected with our new project, and it is called as OpsBot. So the basic idea behind the project was to make one AI agent which can actually be more efficient in delivering the operational resilience to the e-commerce websites or the e-commerce products which are there in the market. So we came with the prototype which actually simulates the flow of one e-commerce system where uh, let's see how it works. So first of all, we have assumed that we whether the customer has given or ordered for the return or all that. So we have trained one, or we have opted one operational bot on it, which actually checks uh, like it helps in deciding the operational resilience of the e-commerce. Like suppose you are getting orders all over the India, so you want to check how you are performing in the different sectors of the India according to the cities, according to the regions. So typically a traditional system will have one typical dashboard showing the things, but here you can actually query out the things which are there. So for the data part, we have assumed the data, like we have created one DB in the Supabase, and it is PostgreDB, and we have assumed that data is coming in the structured format. I know it is not negotiable, but yes, for this we have assumed that the thing is coming in the structured format from the different various microservices. So first of all, we have created one uploader service, that is data upload service, which uploads the data to the DB before performing any analysis on it. So let me just quickly go into my Postman and just trigger that DB. Uh, Let me just do it. Uh, let me let me copy the endpoint of it. Just a sec. Yep, this is data upload engine, and we can see, and we have created the Docker image of it. Like you can check out here, there is one Docker image of the data upload service, and there is one Docker image of the analytics service. So analytics service gives a kind of a structured data or structured analysis about the data according to the user query, and we will check it out. Like here you can see, uh, or you can see in the Docker image also, or in the Docker container also, about the logs. You can see we are generating the data, and we are we are generating the data randomly to simulate the data which is coming in the e-commerce with the high velocity or with the high volume which is out there. So let it be, the data will be directly go to the, what you can say, here, and you can see the numbers of record will change because this data will be, what you can say, this data will be directly up to date to the DB itself. So without further ado, we will do one, what you can say, one quick demo of this. So let me see why my sales of e-commerce are less in North India. So you can see the bot has access to the data. We have not given directly access to the DB. We have given it access to the analytical systems, which generates, what you can see, analytics depending upon the user queries, and these are accessed by the bot, and it will generate a thorough report why the systems or why the sales in the north region of your e-commerce are failing. Like you can query out what are the things which are to be improved, what are the things which you have to get it on the more priority. And for this, like we have used the Supabase instance, and it gives the, what you can say, we have, yeah, you can see the data service has performed very well, and it has given us the, what you can say, more number of records. This is not the right approach, but we have created a simulation, so that is what it is. So analytics service is out there, so you can see one image of the analytics service is running. So if we go into the logs, so you can see here the actual things, or actual things which are happening behind the scenes. Like the investigation has been completed for the North India, and it generates a thorough report what are the things and what are the numbers which are there and agent which are out there. There is the multi-agent orchestration which lookouts and which reasons out the what are the things which are to be given more importance to. And you can check it out here. The thing, it has given the operational investigation report, key findings which are there. The operational data for North India reveals significant friction point across the entire, and from checkout to delivery. And see that it gives a whole thing out there. It gives the whole thing. It gives the whole, what you can say, whole thing, what you will get in the revenue loss, what is the quality, what you want to append. And you can say this, the status which are there, order cancelled, how many events are occurred and how many events are not occurred. So this type of thing we have tried, like to make, like it gives the reason according to your e-commerce data. So this was our project, and for this we have used various tools like Supabase and all. So thank you.